Hi, E4. I just wanted to say hello to you guys and give you a reminder that tomorrow your first assignment is due, and that's going to be the Sonnet interview piece that's on the Google Classroom. The other part of the Sonnet assignment we have due next Wednesday, but if you want to go ahead and turn both in by tomorrow, that's fine. I know some of you guys are ahead. And those of you who are using the paper packets, you might want to go ahead and finish those two things up so that you can turn those in on Monday. I'll be at school again next Monday helping to pass out materials to the kiddos who need paper packets. We do have a few laptops left over at Mac that you guys can check out from us if you have internet access at home. Let's see, a couple other things. The other assignment, the Kelly Gallagher article of the week, the one dealing with the dystopian that we're actually living in right now. Um, that piece is going to be due next Friday, the 20, no, tomorrow's the 27th. I'm sorry, you guys. Time means nothing right now. April 3rd, I'm sorry, April 3rd is when that assignment is due. My E4 team and I met yesterday, and we are working on curriculum for the next 4 weeks or all the way up through the 24th. So we will have that material available to you guys on Google Classroom, those of you who are using that. And then I will also be, when I'm up at school on Monday, I'll be making the paper copies for those of you who are coming to pick up packets. And I'm going to try to write on their handwrite. Please excuse my serial killer handwriting. At least you guys know that. Miss Wyndham and Miss Sibley's kids, they're not used to my handwriting, so they're probably like, who's this crazy person? Anyway, you already know this crazy person. So I'll write the instructions on there if I don't already type them on there about when each thing is due, so you can kind of stagger it out. So also, you should have received an email from Mr. Martinez, you and your parents, concerning how we are grading all of this material. This is especially important for you seniors. I'm really, really proud of our district and the way that we have handled our distance learning. I know it's extremely difficult for many of you to work on things, as I'm sure some of you are still working at your jobs. You may be helping your parents out, helping your younger siblings out, and I appreciate your time so much, and I appreciate you guys working so hard on everything that you have done. I miss you guys. If you have any questions about anything, you can message me through Google Classroom or Remind, or shoot me an email at scox5@neisd.net. Also, if you guys ever want to do a Zoom, like question and answer, just let me know when you would like to do that. I'll be hosting my next one. I'll make myself available for a Zoom next Monday, the 30th. And so I will send out a remind sometime Monday morning. And it will be sometime in the afternoon, since I'll be at school in the morning handing out papers. So if you're available Monday afternoon to Zoom, awesome. If that doesn't work, I'll try to do another one on Tuesday, okay? I miss you all. I hope you're all doing very well, and I hope to see your faces sooner rather than later. Bye, kiddos.